Hey, Colby here with Klaus Designs. Hey, I just wanted to show you concrete gurus out there that batch your own ingredients for all your mix designs from scratch, like I do. What we have come up with here at the new shop. We just moved here about 3 or so months ago, and one of my goals with the move was to streamline my batching process a little better, so a little more efficient. And we've done it. It's a really nice setup. I used to use 30-gallon plastic containers, trash containers, for keeping all my Portland cements and pozzolans, and then I had a couple of bays off to the side against the wall for all my sands, my face and backer coats. But I was just shoveling every step of the way, as I'm scaling it out, using shovels out of the containers, and it was just really inefficient. And I know a lot of you guys do it as well. So I thought I'd show you what I've come up with here, because I spent a lot of time trying to figure out how I can do this like a gravity feed batch system affordably. I'll tell you how affordable it is. These bags are like $20 a piece for this type of bag, and let alone the investment of the pallet racking, but I got that used, and it was a really heavy-duty pallet racking, so it was inexpensive. So what I've come up with here is height-wise, it all hangs to where I have an extra one of these bags that I use with my forklift. So I got a sand bay outside of our building here where I just fill up those bags with the sand, raise it up with my forklift to where it'll hover over the container, pull the drawstring, and then it fills the bags back up. Really nice. So you do got to shovel once in a while, but it's not nearly as bad as shoveling every time you batch out. So that works out real nice height-wise with everything. And the real nice thing here is when I batch out, I'm scaling all my ingredients out sitting on a chair. So that's really pretty nice. And I got a chair out here. My scale is on angle iron that has the feed groove caster wheels, and that just rolls back and forth. So I just sit here. All my Portland cements start down here. I start at the end. So Portland cements, my pozzolans, then these are all my backer sands, my face coat, my silica face coat sands. So I'll just literally sit here on the chair, and I had to cut down my scale for the reader to be right at the height I want. Made a little bracket here for holding my clipboard with my batch sheet on there and my pen, and so I'll just pull the gate out, and it disperses, and go down to the next one, keep on to the next one, scale it out. So I sit here and do this and bring the cart to the end, and then I got a pallet sitting right here that I'll just move the containers. I have these larger containers for when I'm doing my backers and stuff, and put it on the pallet. The pallet comes over here and goes into the mixer, and then I have right over here, I have all my fibers and pigments and super plasticizers and the viscosity modifiers over in this bay. But this has been a really great investment on efficiency and setup, so really tickled about it. Just thought I'd post it and see what you guys think. Let me know. It works out really good for me.